Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final lesson in my branding design course. Adobe Express has kindly sponsored these lessons so I can give you a crash course in using the platform to build your brand identity. In this lesson, we're taking everything we've built for our brand and creating content for social media. Social media is one of the best and cheapest ways to reach your audience and build a community for your brand online. So, in this final lesson, I'll be walking you through how to apply your brand to the social templates in Adobe Express, how you can add animation to your content, and finally, I'll show you how to schedule and export from Adobe Express. A great place to start is with a template. If you're a small business owner without much design experience, I highly recommend starting here. Once you've chosen a template you like, you can customize it in one click since we've loaded all of our brand assets in Adobe Express. Once you've applied your brand, you can then click Shuffle to shuffle through different options. For example, you can shuffle through different color schemes from your branding. Remember to use those high contrast color pairings we talked about when creating our color palette. You want your content to be readable for audiences. I also love using the animation features in Adobe Express. You can animate individual elements or quickly select Animate All to have a single animation applied to your entire design. There are a few different options for Animate All, and you can pick one that fits the tone of your brand. If you've been following along, you know our example brand is a bold and playful bakery, so I might pick the popping animation over a softer animation like Glide. You can also customize individual elements of your design. You can change the duration, personality, fade, direction, and even delay the start of an animation if you're creating a video. Another great feature is the content calendar and scheduler within Adobe Express. I love coming up with post ideas and adding them to the calendar without leaving the app. And if you're a small business owner with social media for your brand, this is going to be one of the most useful tools for you and your content. I find using this feature on a laptop or desktop is the easiest way to view your month of content at a glance, but you can also easily schedule from your phone. You can plan your content, schedule pieces you've made in the app, track metrics, or just save an idea for later here. Whether you're a small business owner or a content creator, this is a great way to plan content. You can also schedule a post directly from the share button on a project, or you can open it directly in apps like Instagram or Google Drive. I also love that you can share these if you work on projects with other people. That was just a brief overview of creating social content with Adobe Express, but let's dive into the platform and create something from start to finish. Like every other lesson, you can follow along with the example brand or create something of your own. Since our example brand is a bakery, let's make a social post promoting a sale that we have going on. I got a ton of really great templates that came up when I searched under templates and I searched for bakery promotion. Let's narrow down my search by size too, since we're going to want to post these on social media. So 1080 by 1350 is a good choice. We could also search for square posts under 1080 by 1080 pixels. Since our brand is bold and playful, I'm also going to go to the filters and select style and choose bold to see if there's something that fits our brand voice. Let's pick this really fun donut template and use it as a base for our bakery promotion. I'm going to go under Apply Brand here and click to see how it applies to the design. I can change the color of certain elements really easily just by clicking on them and going over to the Edit tab, and it already loads in my palette since that's the brand I've applied to this. Since I preloaded all of my logos, it makes them really easy to pop into any social media template. I'm going to pull in our primary logo now. And instead of donuts, I think I'm going to feature some cupcakes for this bakery. So let's swap out that donut image. I can also place the image on top and remove background so that we can get a cool layered effect in the design. I'm going to make some manual adjustments in the editing panel to the image to make it a little bit more cohesive with my branding. It was really helpful to start this design from a template, and I was able to customize it and add things like new imagery and my brand logo really easily. I'm liking how this is looking, but it could use some animation to make it more eye-catching on social media. So let's animate the 50% off here. I'm going to select the 50% off and the container that I have behind it. I'm going to group these elements together. Once I've grouped them together, I'm going to switch to the animation panel on the side here, and I'm going to look through some different movements. I really like how that slide animation looks like it's coming from the side of the canvas. When you select an animation, it pulls it up into the video editor below. I could also choose to loop an animation if I want something constantly moving. I think the yo-yo animation's a really fun way to highlight the 50% off, so let's go with that one. Now I can view my animation from start to finish by hitting the play button here in the timeline. It slides in, and then there's that really cool yo-yo effect. When I like how the animation's looking, I can go over to the Download tab, and I can choose the file format that I want to download this in. You can choose MP4, or if you want something to loop, you can also choose GIF. If I want to share directly to my brand's social media, though, I don't even have to leave Adobe Express. I can go over and schedule a post or open it directly in Instagram once I've linked my accounts to Adobe Express. Or if I want to share with team members who don't have an Adobe Express account, I can also go to Publish and I can create a link to share with team members. Another tool I use frequently is the Resize tool in Adobe Express. Let's say I want to take this and I want to turn it into another size. Let's say I want to do a square design or something for Instagram. Let's say I want to resize this Instagram grid post to an Instagram story. While preserving my design, Adobe Express quickly resized it to a story size so that I can post it on both my Instagram grid and story. My favorite part about creating in this app is that I don't have to leave it to grab branded assets. Once you've loaded them in, they're saved in your brand in the app, and that's how you can make branded social media posts really quickly in Adobe Express. I hope this course has helped you with your branding and making design choices when it comes to your content. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much to Adobe Express for sponsoring this course. I've been a long-time Adobe Express user. I use it for my own branding projects and content creation, so I was really excited to make this. And if you followed along and want to share what you created, feel free to tag me on social media and share what you made. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!